Before we get this video started, don't forget to give me a thumbs up for these little puppies. Say hi, guys. Give me a thumbs up. Say, give me a thumbs up. So on to the next company. Is there another company you want to look at?
Oh, there was one other company. No, it was. We don't have to take a look at crop infrastructure today. We can take a look at your next company, and then I'll probably remember it.
All right, I'm thinking company that's been beat up. I've been doing a lot of swing trades with this company. I've almost made $1,000 doing swing trades with this
Yep.
company.
Khiron.
Khiron. Yes, Khiron. I hope I have my lines in it. And a lot of people know Khiron thanks to neurosis. I don't even
Yep.
think I would have ever invested into Khiron or gambled with it if it wasn't for neurosis. So this company's gotten beat up. Let's put up the 5-minute charts. So right here, you see these lines again. I have a resistance here, the green line, which I would start selling or consider selling. Blue is a strong sell. Red is a strong buy. Just because I have these lines, just because that's what I'm gonna do, doesn't
Yeah.
mean that's what you got to do. It's just the way I've kind of laid out these charts and how I've been buying with this company. And so far, I've been pretty successful, somewhat successful with it. So right here we have Khiron. They've literally just dipped below this support line that I have here, approaching this red line. So it's really approaching towards a strong buy for me. So I actually did purchase some Khiron at 338 as soon as it dipped below this. So
Yeah.
I might start purchasing more the lower it goes. I'm gonna see, maybe it might go down to this 310. And Khiron has been pretty volatile. We've seen it go this low before and then almost immediately jump back up to 410. So we might be doing that again. Is it going to continue trading in between this blue and red line? If it does, that's perfect for swing traders, day traders. I am not a long-term investor with Khiron because I don't know much about the company yet. And plus, it's very hard to do your due diligence in it. This is a company in Mexico. It's not like it's in Canada. It's not in the United States. You can't just walk or take a ride to this company. You got to take a flight out to Mexico to find out what's really going on. There's
Hmm.
no price to revenue, no price to sales, no price to book, unless maybe I could find it on different websites. So it's a very questionable company, but it's been very volatile, and I've been enjoying the volatility so far. So, what do you think about Kiran?
No, I was thinking the same thing. I was thinking it is looking attractive. If it gets to the low threes,
Mm-hmm.
Khiron's always one I wanted to trade. I never started trading Khiron,
Yeah.
and it's definitely on my watch list. I have seen it got beat up recently though.
Yeah. It's
So
also a dangerous company because I'm doing swing trades near the top of its 52-week range.
yeah.
So just because I have those lines drawn doesn't mean it's not going to go back down to here, back down to the 280 range, which is also a possibility. I thought I was drawing a line here. Just let me see.
That would be a nicer pullback, but then
Yeah,
it would probably indicate that it could
yeah,
potentially
and then
be
if it
during
goes
a
back down
downturn.
to that, we could possibly see it go back down to 240, and who knows? Even we can't even it's not even like the $1.70 range, 60 range isn't a possibility because we were just there this year. So Kiran has
Yeah.
had a massive run, and at any given point, it could go all the way back down to here. Obviously, that would be very bad, but
Oh
that would
yeah, for sure.
be an amazing buying opportunity for those people who aren't in it right now. I would really have to ask Neurosis what's going to happen now. 'Cause if
No,
it
for sure. If it lost all those gains, I'd be a little worried if it
yeah,
dropped down to a buck 60.
so yeah, that's I feel like worst case scenario. If that ever happens, I feel like that's a definitely I would start, but then I would be more concerned as to why it dropped so much. So yeah,
No,
just
for sure.
because it's trading in between those lines doesn't mean it's going to continue. At any given point, it could break below this red line, and it could break below this one too. So it's definitely a very risky play. I'm trading. I'm swing trading, day trading. Near the top of its 52-week range. So at some points, you got to know when to cut losses, especially if you just feel like it's going to break through. So yeah, that's I don't know. I guess that's it. Have you found your next company you want to talk about?
There's a couple. I'm just trying to think which one I should pick. Um, no, we're not going to talk about the miners. We'll keep it in the cannabis sector. I guess the only other stock on my watch list, like we talked a little bit about MedMen. Let's talk about FFT, so Future Farm Tech. This is a penny stock.
Yeah, I've had a few people request this one. I wouldn't mind talking about MedMen too, but let's talk about Future Farm Tech.
Yeah.
So a 19-cent stock.
FFT's been selling off like crazy. It's looking to hopefully put a bottom in.
Oh boy, it has. So this company has been selling off for how long now?
A long time.
Are you a shareholder here or no?
No, but I'm considering it around 20 cents. Charts are looking pretty good.
We're approaching a support here. Hold on, let me just go back to the 1 day because we've hit this support before, but we are downtrending. I don't know. It's your company, so what do you have to say about it?
Basically, it's another play like crop. So I did buy some crop because they're a real estate investment trust within the cannabis sector, and this company provides like a lot of the equipment, aka it's called Future Farm Tech. So they provide technology and equipment for greenhouses and all that kind of stuff. So more research and due diligence is to be done on the company and all their operations. But I will say that it's on my watch list. Before I make any kind of purchase, though, I will be doing a lot more research and due diligence. But it is one stock that caught my eye based on the sector that it's in. You know, I like the thought of a company that's going to supply the greenhouses with equipment. That's kind of why I bought crop, because if you do follow IIPR, do you know IIPR?
I'm pretty sure I have it on my watch list. I have so many companies on my watch list, but what about it?
Innovative industrial properties. No, the stock just took off like crazy. So what I'm trying to find is the next IIPR. So a stock that can be a really good real estate investment trust within the cannabis sector.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, Future Farm Tech, obviously tiny market cap. Like, can you pull up their market cap? Just see, look at they're right near their 52-week lows, $26 million market cap.
Yeah, 26 million market cap.
Just another tiny small cap to watch.
Mm-hmm. Price to revenue looks good, 7.6. Price to book, 8.5. Yeah. Price to sales is a little high at 48.
Yeah.
Let's look at their assets. 13 million in assets, which is pretty good considering their market cap is 26 million.
Yeah.
So they have double the market cap of their asset. They have twice the market cap versus their assets. I mean, it looks like we're approaching a support line. We've hit it here once. We've hit it here again. It looks like we're bouncing up. And we do seem to have a resistance here at 25 cents.
Mm-hmm.
Another resistance here at around 32.5 cents. Doesn't look horrible or scary on paper. I don't know. It does look like a good buying opportunity. The only scary thing is this company has been on the downfall for how long?
Yeah, for sure. So once again, this is another one where it's going to be a waiting game. Either they do something big, and it's definitely a gamble. So
yeah, I'm just trying to see how long this company has been declining. So yeah, we've seen this company go all the way up to $2, and that was back in 2017.
Yeah,
and pretty much have been downtrending ever since. So.
Pretty much declining since. So yeah, we'll see what happens. This is one to watch. Like I said, I'm trying to pick up those small companies with, I like the sector they're in or the niche that they're in, and then just basically sit on them. Because a lot of my cannabis picks, I'm not really doing much swing trading, day trading. For the most part, it's long-term stuff.
Yeah.
So anyways, that's definitely 10 minutes. Like that's or at least 15 minutes.
Anyways, actually you can end this one. I ended the last one.
All right, guys. So let us know what you think about the picks in the comments. And always remember that this is for information, education, and entertainment. So don't buy because we like them or we're buying them or we sold them or whatever. Just always do your own research and due diligence. But give us a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, smash the bell for notifications about Investing Hustler and Departures Capital. And we'll see you in our next video.
Bye-bye.